Hello, mighty pirates! So, what are we going to do today? Today, we're going to review this wonderful thing here. These are the stereo headset by Commodore. Yes, the same Commodore of the mighty Commodore 64, the mighty Amiga, and so on. Why I decided to buy these ones? Well, of course, I'm a fan of the brand, so instead of buying any other stereo wireless headset, Bluetooth headset, I decided to try these ones. So I hope you will appreciate my effort to review this product. And thank you to Luigi. This is Luigi that also sent me this card inside the package. Okay, so let's open it. So here we go. Here we go. Okay, I think it's pretty nice. I'm very curious to actually see how it works, or better hear how it works. And these are the headset. I will try them later. Of course, this is a kind of a strange review because you can't actually hear it. But I believe that these things are pretty nice, as you can see. All right. So the package is, there's an USB cable here, plus some instructions, and of course the charger. Whoa! Well, it's completely useless, but I do appreciate the effects. Whoa! How cool is that? Anyway, okay, I think, oh, there is also the USB port here. I think I'm going to try these headphones, and I will let you know. I'm a fan of music and hi-fi, so I'm very curious to hear the difference between these things and an hi-fi headset that I have. And but anyway, these ones are going to be really nice to use, and I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Okay, that's it. That's all for now. So I had to charge the batteries a little bit, and then right after, just for the record, I mean, right after opening this, the earphones switch on and go immediately into the pairing way, so you can pair them. And so after pairing them like this, actually they start to work. Very easy to use. So I'm very satisfied of this product. Let's take a closer look at it. Look at them. They are so cool. So I think I'm not just going to give a positive review. I'm going to give 5 stars to this product. I bought them at the Commodore shop. And so, yes, so thank you for the support, for the questions that I sent them, and they were so fast using LinkedIn. So I'm very satisfied. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you, Commodore, for this fabulous product. Bye!